Wohler's iAM1-8 units, available in 1U and 2U form factors, are flexible, functional, and easy to use. These units offer 8 channels of audio-only monitoring at a lower price point than our 16-channel Audio Pluses or our video-capable 16-channel iVAM units. As standard, both iAM8 products feature dual 3G SDI inputs on BNCs, with selected SDI out, and an SFP cage for optional licensing of SMPTE 2110 and 2022. The selected mix is routed to the speakers, the 2 analog output XLRs, and a headphone output. Audio over IP processing options for Dante, Ravenna, and AES67 include an AOIP card enabling primary and secondary RJ45 ports for hitless 2022-7 support and 2110-30 signals. Other options include support for AES3, MADI, and additional analog inputs with optical toss length. The depth is 5 1/2 inches, which meets all shallow depth requirements. These units also include Wohler's mature touch-capable controls to simultaneously monitor audio, meters, and loudness. We have also added a 4th rotary encoder on the front panel for quick access to sources, presets, and menus. Sum, solo, and mute up to 8 audio channels, with balance control included. Loudness measurement ships standard on both units. Remote monitoring of both meters and loudness is included. Optional Dolby processing is available for Dolby D, Dolby Digital Plus, and Dolby E. Our Dolby Zoom feature offers the ability to solo and listen to an individual channel of the decoded Dolby signal while simultaneously viewing metadata. An optional enhanced output routing license for both sources and up to 64 presets customizes the routing of monitored channels to speakers, headphones, analog, and AES3 outputs. Wohler products are network capable with a browser for tasks that complement the front panel menus, including preset creation and management, unit upgrades, and advanced product configuration. REST APIs are available for third-party control system integration. iAM8 units are a complete audio monitoring solution for those that do not require 16 channels. Confidence is everything. You know what to expect when you purchase Wohler products. Value for money. Ask about our iAM8 products today.